Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Aramisi ya jitariki 15 tomutie nyukianda mwaka 2025 chinsa ikomi igoro kamanyero kya benenga ugokonyora mangana maya kuremesa ito Nensoko TV asenchera ayo bwenge lieterana nchikuru kwa Daniel omwaga ikaransa nkomanyi hayagereta kwatika korwa chingongo au chinse. Na amaya chinsa ikomi nigo togo chaka kurwa se county ya Kisii asabamenyi ebensemo oyanyanchwa besokiri na kugikeria abororo egetambokero okibagotebanga egati yabantombare bali batagete gokuruma oborimo bw'Nyagitari yanyanchwa eria ebwate chisukuru unonye ne bintu binde nigo baterunga onye omuntu ekawochikwenda nengane yobokurumi nigo bagochigotumeka engakiye korobekana credit code iki weka oyotete gokuruma eNyagitari yanyanchwa mission amone chisukuru nonye nigo amo nebito binde bire sense mejo bagire ko bakagotiga egange yaye yo gutaga kuruma endemereyo imeyensemo yanyanchwa.
Good evening again, members of the 4th Estate. We are the community from Nyanchwa community surrounding Nyanchwa Conference and Nyanchwa Mission SDA Church, and we have grievances. As I can give you a short history that our grandfathers donated this land for the mission, and the purpose for the mission, that is education, health, and the missionary. But they have twisted, they have started selling land, and they are not considering community. I'm going to read a short statement from the community that is why we are demonstrating today. Today we gather here to demonstrate against planned demolition of the historical Nyanchwa Church, grabbing of Nyanchwa Mission land, corruption, mismanagement of the institutions of Nyanchwa, hospital and schools, among others. Our grandfathers, led by pioneer Pastor Paul Nyamoya, donated over 42 acres of land to Seventh-day Adventist missionary work to advance Adventism in Kenya and East Africa. We are so disappointed to learn that the leaders of South Kenya Conference, led by Pastor Paul Kiage, President, Pastor Leonard Ayencha, Secretary, Pastor Elijah Onyancha, Treasurer, have aided corruption, land grabbing, mismanagement of the schools and the hospital for personal and selfish gain. Therefore, we demand as follows: stop the planned demolition of the historical Nyanchwa Church. 2. Land survey and amalgamation of all church land and to be registered under Nyanchwa Church community. Asset audit and the registry of all church assets. Human resource audit, since most of the staff employed at the hospital and school lack proper qualification to offer quality services, thus poor performance of our institutions. So we want to say that we have reached out to the leadership of Nyanchwa South Kenya Conference for the last 1 year, and they have not listened to us. We are going to their offices until we have decided that we go this route of demonstration. We are going to demonstrate every week, and as you have been told, we are going to take further steps to close these gates until they listen to us and address our issues. to stop land grabbing, to mismanage and
na togusuka mutu mwanchu mugige tegotetigare maye county ya Kisii asengana yemo yogo ichania ase umusawa yomo aserieta Timothy Orambui igatoka agesungetie mambia ya rero imeye nyumba yaye iyo gotoka ime ye kenyoro kianya bitunwa ebunge ya machoge barabu imeye county ya Kisii nonye nigo ekyokirete umusawa yogwe itatikira menyekana ekerobono botuki ibwacha kibwe kegima
nawoka nachigo cheki na igure nyumba nachigo cheki narara sakura ri gitanda nanyora taiya nachikandi rumwende nanyora na esungeti
tukarie ndagera ane kamate mungino taka no mulike bya nyumba gusinware akamulika ande bitaiyo kamate ngenda no bunge nyumba ngo jare ka waita butame saa 4 saa 5 twamwike bunguo anurusie ndagera jikoni uri osoa nyumba urara mbono mambinere na njina soka na no yesukari na are direcha ndikire ngo sokaro umwana ucho igore nyumba muna igore nyumba onyora umwana yesungeti mwana yo no isungeti
na twa majorte buno murai asa matuka iga turaire na baingo turaya boya waikera iga asie ikire bono ogimo bwana bwere ga ntumetingi na kiana jete asie stage yaito tabwa tumochando na moto
ekereringana ria beire temako consort rora muntu onde iga no mugisange o muntu monene iga kwara agende sare kwa motebinga nimbwateringana rirega toba abantu tokogenda ngorake egere na ubugima bwa mambe mutakeire kiaro umwana uga atigira abana bake na ndino umwana moke na hanu umwana umuya tutakagerete ngana ikira
nagotigana yo mwanchu murigereria tigatusuke mutwe sebona basae nigo baboriwe tibachia gutumika na bana siasa eri kurwana gusekoreta chiburaburu asemesangarekana gakorekana kawo kwana asomo sangarekana obwo okomu gose bwo okubomba na bana inchi sebunga ya Nyaribari Masaba yeye gutoka imeye ward ya Ichuni nigo mubunge o South Mugirango Muske Silvano Sosoro atebire unabasae na bana siasa nigo osinaba abana siasa na bantu bancha ine naboigo abasae tomasegwancha gutumekwa erokoleta chiburaburu asemesangarekano ao
ono iga William Ruto na Raila Odinga mbaramo gosembariamo igokura yago tejieti igekura getasagia ayo gakera Raila onda gakera Ruto bono mbaramo nao bagera kunyo gwekarakari bakonya gusukuma magendero kivyao Raila osukuma gochisoba ali akero munda kunyo gwekarakari lakini eleso nere tokolani ya sabanta ubabere abana ba minto mwezi motere ga mondi gereti abana muikarazete to kwa goseto umia ogerende gitari okoba yabana siasa abana siasa tobwe kaine onde tayo muya onde tayo mobe etogo chiazo mopira gatiari togo kora togo soka twakwana nitwagenda abana ba minto tokwa to umio kogoro okoba yo mwana siasa to umie riso okoba yo mwana siasa ayerwanere no bugima bwago goseba na bamito wake
nonyanigo gokwana somo nsengakano yo mwanchu murigereria omubunge obwebunge ria ya Nyaribari chacho Muskeza irijanda niga babori abamenyi abo bagendere ko musira omuske William Ruto yoro muraibwense eribanyora magendero ogocha asegesa kukeria kyomugusi
yule ambaye ako na kisu yule ambaye ako na pesa ya kuhakikisha maendeleo inaletwa hapa Nyaribari Masaba anaitwa Rais William Samoei Ruto, sindio? Na kwa sababu mimi sio mchoyo, tukasema ile barabara inaanzia Birongo, inateremka mpaka mahali inaitwa Riamo Chirichiro, iende mpaka Riamo Kobe, Irondi. Hiyo barabara kuna kona hapo inaenda mpaka mahali inaitwa Mwembe, si mnajua hapo? Alafu inakuja mpaka Ibacho. Alafu inaelekea mpaka Kiamo kama hiyo pia tumeiweka katika program ambayo itawekwa lami hivi karibuni wakati rais anakuja kuzindua. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niwaambie watu wa Nyaribari Masaba, huko tayari tuunge Rais William Ruto mkono. Mumekubali? Hebu tuone kwa mkono William Ruto. Hapana. Unajua siku hizi salamu ni namna hii. Si ndio? Haya, nikisema harambee tunasema 2 term. Si ndio? Harambee! Harambee! William Ruto! William Ruto!
na guskamutwo mwanchu mugereria nigo mugiro obwaborokia bwe university osoire litskoria kabere erero imeye nsengima asebono abarokibwa abosabaroke be university ya Kibabe imeye county ya Bungoma niko basoira somogiro yo aselitskoria erero asebatebere buna mbali yago chekona imeye birasi igo ikamagani yabo abereka okenbwa amo oneserikali nonye nigo nigabaroke batebere buna eserikali yabereka bage kubangaina ase amatuka matambe university echo kigendrete korokyo mugiro yo imeye ya Kenya na moyo University ya Nairobi, the University of Nairobi, University area ya Machakos, University ya Pwani, University kutoka imeye county ya Kilifi, University ya Dedan Kimathi and Science and Technology kutoka imeye county ya Nyeri.
We are here today to tell the government and our management team that will stand with our members in order to ensure that these issues are brought on board and are solved. Two, that is where we want to ensure that each and every one, even our stakeholders as students, are in safe conditions, and we have cordial working relationship with each and every government institution.
We are guardians, and we don't want our students to lose even a single day out. However, that can only be achieved if and only if the government of Kenya owns up and releases the funds. All of us know that if this was an empowerment plan, if this was an empowerment issue, money will be rolling here and everywhere. But the question is, why is professionalism, universities, we trade the highest human resources. Why are we ignored? Yet we see money flying left, right, and center.
We have been waiting for the 2025-2029 CBA. Up to this time, negotiations have not begun. Then, of course, we are being told, because we are teachers, we are dons, we should be patient. We should serve the Republic of Kenya. We should serve the children of Kenya. We are telling the government that dons do not eat patience. Dons do not eat, what do we call it? Promissory notes. Can you say promissory notes?
Chapto kechide kai komina isato igori chinse komichi abona maragoba mwanchu mulgeri abgete senige to kyabene against Soko TV na abwe nongwe kiro mwerio amangana maye chinse komia senchira ayo konya chutia korende ensaye moigora mone chinse sato nogendre ko nyora imeyegete senike okyabene kia Soko TV asenchira yo wekanu asabadi kebeito bagendrete koigeka amangana yo agendrete kwateka kura chinsemo au asenchira ere yo wekanu Brian Achaka Felistas Kabendi amon director Zak na obarenge maega ya chikamera kwene kinga mariogi amon ificha ngwe kanari senchira ayo wekanu kukanelio maragoba ora motoreru rieterane chenkuru kwa Daniel Omwaga